That was so loud. Don't worry, it's only a robot. Welcome to Dino Discovery Park.
Rocky is so cute. Can I play with him?
Of course. If anyone gets lost, meet at the big fountain. Can you both remember?
Yes! Yes!
Keep your safety cards with you.
I will. Me too. Wow! It's so tall!
Its footprint is bigger than me.
It eats leaves from tall trees. Please stay behind the yellow line.
Okay, Dad.
Thank you for being safe. Dig slowly and carefully.
I found something! Come here, Mia. Wow! A dinosaur skull!
Amazing! Excellent teamwork.
Always wash your hands.
Drink some water.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Where did they go? The big fountain. I remember.
Noah?
Let's find him quickly.
Hello, Noah. Are you looking for your family?
Yes, I came to the fountain.
You did the right thing. Noah!
Stay close, Mia.
We'll find him.
I'm so happy you're safe.
I remembered the safety rule.
We're proud of you.
Thank you for helping Noah. You're welcome.
Thank you, Ranger Alex. This dinosaur is so cute! I like this backpack.
Choose only one. Please don't touch the plants.
I'm sorry. We'll be careful.
Nature is beautiful.
The butterfly is pretty. Let's not scare it. The bin is over there. I'll throw it away.
Great job!
Goodbye, Dino Discovery Park!
Come back again!
We will! Look! A farm! I can't wait!
Our next adventure starts now.
Let's go!
Welcome to Sunny Farm.
Grandpa, your farm is so beautiful. I can't wait to see all the animals. Do you really have cows, horses, and chickens here?
Yes, and if you follow the rules, you can meet every one of them. Before we visit the animals, let's remember a few simple.
Farm rules. We'll listen carefully, Grandpa.
We want to be safe. Always close the gate. The animals must stay inside.
I'll make sure it's closed. That's an important rule.
This is Daisy. She's very gentle.
Hello, Daisy. You're so cute. Can we feed her, Grandpa?
Hold the grass flat in your hand. Daisy will eat it gently.
She's very gentle. I thought she would be scary.
Can I feed Daisy next?
Grandpa, the gate is open. Daisy is walking toward it.
Stay calm. We'll close it together. Good job, Mia. Now let's help Daisy stay inside.
The gate is closed. Daisy looks much calmer now.
Well done, everyone. Daisy is safe again.
I'm happy nothing bad happened. Working together really helped.
You followed the rules and helped each other today.
I'm proud of both of you.
Every adventure teaches us something new.
You both followed the rules today. I have a little surprise for you.
A dinosaur keychain! Thank you, Grandpa! I'm gonna keep this forever.
Today you learned that staying calm and following rules can keep everyone safe.
I'm proud of how both of you helped each other.
We'll always remember these lessons. Today was my favorite adventure. Mine too. I love the dinosaurs and the farm.
I'm glad you both had so much fun.
What a wonderful day! I can't wait for our next adventure.
See you. We're home! What a wonderful day.
I'm gonna keep my dinosaur keychain on my backpack. Me too! I'll never forget today.
What was your favorite part of today?
Seeing the giant dinosaurs was amazing! I loved feeding Daisy on the farm.
Every adventure is more fun when we stay together and follow the rules.
I'll always remember the big fountain.
And I'll always stay close to my family. Good night, my little explorers.
Good night, Mom. We'll dream about dinosaurs tonight. Look, they're smiling at us. This is the best dream ever.
Did you both sleep well?
Yes, I had a dream about friendly dinosaurs.
I dreamed about Daisy too. Look at these pictures. We made so many happy memories.
This one with the giant dinosaur is my favorite. I like the picture with Daisy. Let's make an adventure book so we can remember this day forever. Dad, who sent that colorful letter?
Let's open it and find out together.
I hope it's another adventure.
It's an invitation to the Harvest Festival at Sunny Farm.
Really? We get to visit the farm again? I can't wait to see Daisy.
Pack only what you need.
I'm bringing my camera. I'll carry the water bottles. Wow!
Welcome back! We have a fun surprise waiting for you.
Everything looks even more beautiful today. This is going to be another amazing adventure.
Today's festival is full of games, animals, and surprises.
Let's explore everything. This is the best day ever.
Look how calm the sheep are. Let's move slowly so we don't scare them.
That little lamb is coming right to us. I think it wants to say hello.
Keep your hand flat. The lamb will eat very gently.
It feels so soft. Can I feed it next, Dad? Dad, the little lamb is running away. Should we go after it?
Stay together. We'll help without running.
Look closely. These little footprints will show us where the lamb went.
I can see them leading toward the trees. Let's stay together and follow them carefully.
There it is. The little lamb is behind that tree.
I'm glad it's safe.
Let's walk slowly so we don't frighten it.
Good job, everyone. Staying calm helped the lamb trust us.
I'm happy it's back with its family. We worked together again. Wow, riding a tractor is so much fun. Look at all the animals from up here.
Hold on tight and enjoy the ride. Choose one pumpkin that you like the most.
This round one is perfect. Mine is smaller, but it's really heavy. I'm making a happy pumpkin. Mine looks like a baby dinosaur.
Both pumpkins look fantastic.
You've both been wonderful today.
Let's celebrate with ice cream. Chocolate for me. This is the best treat ever.
Thanks, Daniel. Let's take one last picture before we leave.
I'll always remember this farm. Me too. It was the best adventure.
Let's thank everyone for such a wonderful day.
Thank you for everything. We'll visit again someday.